Apparently it's back. Colors 3D. Like the day after I made that last video with the gloom and the doom, Pretendo got our game Colors back online. It's uploading again, it works, and also I am so sorry for making so many 3DS art videos. At first I was like, let me talk about 3DS online art communities. And Nintendo was like, no, we're gonna shut that down. And they did. They shut down the online for 3DS and Wii, and people were like, no, I can't upload my stuff. And so, Pretendo, the heroes here, they went ahead and set colors up on their private servers. Super easy to access. I'll go over that here in a second. One quirk with it though, like you can upload stuff to colors from colors on the 3DS, but it's not going to show up on the main page. So we head over here to like the new paintings. All of these are going to be like from the Switch version of the game, because there's like a Switch version, there's an upcoming PC version of colors. The 3DS version was just one of the longest running versions of colors, so that's it. It works, and you can, if you go over to your account, you can still upload drawings, check your drawings, get your little speed paint, because you can't get the speed paint upload any other way. You can still do that, and it's great. And you don't need a PNID. Like, you don't have to mess too hard with Pretendo. So let me just go over that real quick, just in case anyone out there is looking to play colors and wants to be able to upload their stuff from the 3DS, or maybe even like interact with the community, that kind of thing. So you can open up Universal Updater, and if you don't have that, you're going to want to hack your 3DS. Don't watch any guides online, like on YouTube, about this, because this site changes like all the time. So really big to stay up to date there. So anyway, you go to the Universal Updater app, and there's a Hokaku CTR that has the Pretendo logo there. You're not going to need that. That's for capture. It's for Hokaku. Nimbus is the one that you're going to want to use. So it's going to be Nimbus. 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 And you're going to want to install the CIA version here. This is me with that 2007 quality. Kino. So, let's see. You're going to close out of that, and then you can just open up the Pretendo software, Nimbus, and then that's going to bring up this whole thing, and you just choose the Pretendo network. There's some settings that you may have to turn on if they're not already turned on, but not going to have to mess with that. So launch that. I skip a little forward on here because on mine I forgot I have this loop with EULA like agreements because of the region differences. So this, you probably don't need this, but DSCS, another piece of software here for agreeing to the EULA agreements. I usually have to open this up because I have like a Japanese 3DS, and it's finicky, and I don't have to change the region. So anyway, Colors 3D, we're going online. Let's see what it looks like, because it's pretty full featured for like a 3DS game. So head over to the gallery here. Let's see. Takes a second to connect. Sometimes you might have to wait for it to speed up, but they've got a nice little notice here. Nintendo's online server shut down in March 2024, but we didn't, and we're very happy to see that you found your way here anyway. So it's got all your latest art here. You can scroll through the submissions, you can upload, you can comment. It's fully featured, all thanks to Pretendo, because they're honestly, like, even the games they don't have announced on their site, they still got stuff in the works, and it's kind of crazy how far along its project has kind of come. So yeah, the whole thing. And also, just in case that other video doesn't come up, Sudomemo, the backend for Flipnote, is still working. It's always working. Works on the DSi and the 3DS. And then Butterfly, that other art animation-y thing, they're still taking submissions on the website, even though Nintendo shut down their servers. So yeah, it works. Go do some 3DS art.